really boring photos for you?
Yeah, but there were like 16 of them. So now I'm just gonna have like 20 boring this place in Cambridge.
I'm gonna walk up to the girls in our group, okay? And we're gonna say good morning. Afternoon.
Do we have to?
Yes. I made such progress yesterday, Caroline.
But doing this is so hard. I hate socializing. Why was it so easy our first year and not this year?
I don't know. But we're doing it because I did really good yesterday.
How come whenever I walk around with a camera like this, people look at me like I'm crazy?
Because they don't know what you're doing.
Just look crazy.
I wouldn't know what you're doing. You're just like walking around with the camera like held out, like you're going to take a picture or something.
But I'm not. I'm just walking. I'm gonna get a close-up of Adam. Adam. Hey, Adam. Nothing. Hey. Morning.
Morning. Do you like videotaping us?
No.